Welcome to our exploration of nature's mysterious warnings. In this vast web of life there exists a language older than words, whispered on the wind, etched in the earth and echoed through the animal kingdom. Today we delve into 25 strange natural phenomena that signal danger. From eerie animal behaviors to bizarre weather patterns, these signs hold the crucial survival information. Nature's way of saying, take heed for something extraordinary is about to occur. A mass exodus of animals fleeing their homes with frantic urgency often precedes natural disasters. Red sky at morning, sailor take warning, this crimson dawn, while beautiful often heralds an approaching storm. Deep within the heart of a forest, an unexpected hush falls. The symphony of birdsong ceases, the rustling of leaves fades, and an unsettling silence reigns, often a precursor to seismic activity. Chapter 4. Migration. Out of turn. The seasons dictate migration, but when animals deviate from their patterns, embarking on journeys out of season, it can signify an environmental imbalance. Ring of portent. A halo around the moon or sun can signal changing weather patterns. Chapter 6. Lights in the earth. Earthquake lights, fleeting bursts of luminosity from the ground, are now being explained by science. Chapter 7. Birds, with their acute senses, become uncanny forecasters. Their altered flight patterns signal an approaching storm. Chapter 8. Halos, those shimmering rings of light around the sun or moon, form from ice crystals in high-altitude clouds. Chapter 9. Animals communicate through sounds. Changes in these sounds can signal imminent danger. Chapter 10. The elusive orb. Ball lightning, a rare phenomenon, manifests as a glowing sphere of electricity, often during thunderstorms. Chapter 11. The sudden chill. A sudden temperature drop can signal approaching storms or volcanic eruptions. Chapter 12. Clouds of warning. The sky, a canvas for nature's artistry, often displays ominous formations. Wall clouds, shelf clouds, and mammatus clouds are often associated with severe weather. Insects, tiny barometers of nature, exhibit peculiar behaviors before storms. Ants march, bees return, crickets fall silent. The ocean, a powerful force, can sound the alarm. A rapid tide withdrawal signals an approaching tsunami. The discovery of many dead animals, especially different species, indicates environmental contamination or a disease outbreak. The ocean holds many secrets. One captivating phenomenon is glowing waves caused by bioluminescent plankton. Plants, though seemingly silent and still, communicate through subtle changes. Wilting, discoloration, and unusual growth patterns indicate environmental stress or pollution. Strange lights in the sky, often mistaken for UFOs, are thought to be caused by electrical charges. Animal tracks tell a story, revealing the comings and goings of creatures. Unusual tracks, like predators in unexpected areas, can indicate a disturbance in the ecosystem. The wind, a powerful force, changes direction and intensity rapidly, often heralding severe weather. Blood rain, a phenomenon sparking fear and fascination, occurs when raindrops mix with dust, turning red. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, fish behave strangely before earthquakes. Some rise to the surface, others swim erratically. Double rainbows with their reverse colors symbolize hope but also hint at approaching storms. Shifting appetites. Animals have a finely tuned sense of their environment. Changes in feeding patterns can be telling. A sudden decrease in appetite or shift in prey selection can indicate environmental stress. The enigmatic fog. Fog, a veil of mystery, shrouds the landscape in ethereal beauty. Unusual fog formations can indicate pollution or temperature inversions. Heeding nature's warnings. Nature's warnings are fascinating and life-saving. By understanding nature's language and respecting our planet, we navigate uncertainties ahead. Stay tuned for more insights. Like, share, and subscribe.